What's up, everybody? Everybody. What's up, my lovely sisters and my lovely brothers? If you are seeing this video, especially in your mailbox, apart from seeing it on my Facebook wall, it is because I trust I can get your support. As a member or coordinator in your state, the country where you reside, or your community, and because I know you are a woman of substance who can move things and make things happen, and because I know you are a man, a brother of caliber, who loves his mother, values his sister, love his daughters, his wife, and would never stand for women or children to be mistreated. Yes. My people, I do understand that you are very busy with life endeavors, okay? So may not have the time to, for Facebooking. No worries, my friend. I have come to tell you today a little about my work and to seek your support. Okay? You see, I recently started a movement called Never on My Watch Movement International. The Never on My Watch movement initiative is a clamor to unite African and Black women globally to fight against women, children, and girls' oppression in Nigeria and Africa at large. Our men too, who sensitizes with women issues and wants to solidarize with us, are very much welcome to join this movement and to show their support towards the struggle. Because I understand people are very busy in this part of the world, especially, and may be consigned to get involved in this movement due to the time constraints, as we all have a handful of priorities of our own to deal with. Yes, I understand, my people. However, I have come to let you know that supporting or joining this movement will not take much of your time or interfere in your personal life or job. No, far from it. What is needed is your interest to make change, to say enough to evil practices, and the spirit of advocacy to advocate for the less privileged, for the enslaved, oppressed, and exploited of our society when needed. So, folks, firstly, to support us, I kindly need you to join the movement by going to the Never on My Watch page on Facebook to join. Okay? Excuse me. Then click the invite button to invite your friends to also join. Share the page and videos to create the awareness for us to build the population and community of support to be able to effectuate changes. To be able to effectuate change, the changes we are seeking and the results we envisage. You can also go to the website online at www.neveronmywatch.com to join the movement, and then register as a member for full package, for a full coverage. Okay? Always remember that majority win the vote. So we need the numbers and crowd to be able to push for change. Again, the Never on My Watch movement is not a personal cause or a charity or foundation of one person. No. It is a Canadian registered international organization whereby every Black woman, African woman can have a voice. It is an initiative for every woman and everyone who identify with women and children suffering, regardless of your profession or status. We all have our various work, our various professions, our various charities. We are all fighting one cause of injustice or the other. We are blogging on different social media platforms and outlets and have our various fans and followers. We are advocating for one cause or the other. We are supporting not-for-profit organizations. And some people or some of us are activists and advocates for change. Just name it. But Never on My Watch movement is not intended to take sport in your personal affair, your private cause or program, nor is Never on My Watch in competition with your internet or social media program. No. We are just aimed at bringing all programs, everything and everybody together with more than one voice to fight oppression and injustice. We are doing it. We doing it single-handedly for years. Has not reported good results or changed things as we all still see. And we still hear and watch women and children abused every day. We watch child malnutrition, slavery, exploitation, child molestation every day. But coming together in unison can tumble situations and force those in leadership positions to do something to cause change. So my people, you can imagine you doing it all alone by taking a course as your single prerogative, or imagine we all as women and men who sensitize it with our cause coming together, joining forces together to say enough is enough. With the Never on My Watch platform, you still have your own thing to do. Your course and programs are still going on for you. But when something serious happens that we need to mobilize and stand under one platform, that is when we all come together to scream, no, enough. The more we are together, the more our leaders we know we are not having it any longer. Unless something be done, and something must be done fast. Women can no longer be separated or compete against each other if we must succeed in our fight and struggle to be recognized as full members of our society. This is not also a cause where we do meet every day or every week. No, we don't have that time, I understand. We are all busy people with a handful of personal priorities, like I said, to meet up with. So what we need in this movement is simple, folks. Simple. First, we need women coordinators with leadership qualities who can mobilize other women in their states, cities, and communities to join and register to become a member in the movement. Men too are welcome, are very welcome to coordinate folks to join and register in solidarity. And women too from other nationalities and race are welcome to join in solidarity. And I think you can be that person, my friend. Yes, I see you. It is time to stop talking and to do something. So, as coordinators, you are responsible to mobilize people in your communities or states, and you will be participating in leadership meetings with us here in Canada through online means once a month or when it is necessary. Okay? And then once in a year, we can have or organize an event where we all around the world can come together, either here in Canada. Folks will be invited to come, either here in Canada or where we all agree is comfortable, where we decide to meet. So, my people, my friends, you can start mobilizing people to join by mobilizing your friends, mobilize your partner, your girlfriend, mobilize your boyfriend, your husband, your partner, mobilize your colleagues, family members, start mobilizing them to join. Mobilize your fans, tell them to join the movement, and your followers. Please, you can help people too who cannot register to register by helping them through the process. So if you have anybody who is not technologically savvy, who does not know how to navigate the internet, you can get with your laptop or phone, stay with the person and say, this is how you can join and help them through the process. There are different ways you can be useful. There are different ways you can participate in this. So please do something and let's stop talking. Okay? Another thing, as a member, what concerns you concerns us. You no longer must fight and struggle through female and child oppression alone with no one to speak for you. Whether you there abroad or you there Africa, we got you, sister. And we will all speak out in unison together for you to the right authority to change the situation and listen to your case. Because this is a place of sisterhood and for changing all that is no longer acceptable to us as women. Therefore, whether you be Nollywood star, TV hosts, female politician, advocate, activists, doctors, lawyers, engineers, social worker, cleaner, babysitter, businesswoman, or stay-home mom or housewife, we understand say anything fit happen to you as a woman anytime, and it no go bad to see other women around the world mobilizing together to speak out on your behalf. Also, our men, anything fit happen to your daughter, to your wife, to your sister, or your mother, and you need other women to support you, to fight that cause. So you need to join the movement and register as a member for support in case you need women, powerful women with a voice who can come together under one platform to speak against that oppression. We also do have t-shirts if you would like to support the movements. You can also partner with us too. You can be an ambassador. You can sponsor, mother, father the movement if you wish. Just be involved in any capacity you can to help bring this platform of women, to help bring this platform to a platform of women galvanizing force for change in Nigeria and Africa at large. So people, apart from the demands we seek on the website, as a coordinator or member, you can choose one of our community programs too. So if you go to the website, we have a place where we say demands. Those are the things we are fighting for. And then we have a place where we have community programs. So apart from the demands we seek on our websites, as a coordinator or member, you can also choose one of our community programs to fight for if you don't want to be involved in all, or to sponsor if you wish. Such as our pregnancy is not a death sentence initiative, which is geared towards ending maternal and child mortality in Nigeria. Or our Daily Bread program, which is geared towards ending child hunger in Nigeria. Or fighting against abuse and facilitating of shelters nationwide. Or you can also support and fight for our Talk to Healing community program, which is about psychosocial and psychotherapy support for victims of abuse and trauma. You see, my people, becoming a part of Never on My Watch is not much that will interfere with your time or private life or business. What we need again is just your zeal to change evil practices against women, girls, and children in Nigeria and Africa at large. And for us in the diaspora to also support ourselves in times of need. Our sisters are going through a lot. Women go through a lot, even in this part of the world, Europe or America or anywhere in the diaspora. And then we need to come together to be able to fight for ourselves. Okay? And then fight for each other, support each other. We want you to become members, to become coordinators, to mobilize people and coordinate your area. Make sure to register as a member at www.neveronmywatch.ca. Folks, your support in liking the Facebook page, to follow us, to invite your friends to join and share the videos is highly needed and will be highly appreciated. Kindly inbox me if you would like to be a coordinator apart from being a member of the Never on My Watch movement, and I will send you more information on becoming a coordinator. Together we can, my people. So let's get started. I look forward to getting your much needed support. Thank you very much, my people. Thank you, my personal persons, for your support, for joining the movement, for everything you are doing to help. And God bless you all abundantly. I'll see you again soon. Thank you. God God bless you. Bye bye.